We're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 2015 Mercedes C-Class with a ghost immobiliser. So if someone hopped in, obviously cloned the key, stole the key, tried to start the vehicle up, it won't start, it just swipe. So we'll try again, vehicle doesn't start. So for the customer to drive this, what they need to do, foot off the brake, double press the ignition to get all their lights on, then pop their disarm code in. We've kept it simple for the video, 1, 2, 3, 4. They get a double flash from the full beam. There we go, now foot on the brake, we can hold the start button. And the vehicle starts up. If the customer wants to take this for a service, they obviously won't want to disclose the code to them. They'll just want it to act and behave like a normal car when it's with Mercedes. So what we do, double press the ignition, get your lights on, pop your disarm code in and get your double flash. Now we'll press the driver's window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. And now it's in service mode. So now the vehicle will start up like normal, no code, no phone. Mercedes can do what they need to do. As long as it doesn't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, it will stay in service mode. So when you get it back, you're going to want it protected. And to wait, where you turn it back on, ignition on, pop your code in, get your double flash as usual. There we go, and the vehicle's protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser on a 2015 Mercedes C-Class. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.